Hi everybody, it's Thomas here from Thomas Fitzgerald Photography. Welcome back to the channel. So today I have a really quick Lightroom tip for you, and that is how to do AI-based noise reduction and super resolution on the same image. When Adobe introduced its AI-based noise reduction into Lightroom a little while ago, they added it as part of the Enhance tool. And the Enhance tool, which was also home to Super Resolution, which was their AI-based solution for upscaling your image. And the downside of it was you can't use AI-based noise reduction and Super Resolution on the same image. However, there is a quick workaround, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's jump right in. Okay, so here we are in Lightroom, and I have this photo here of Grand Central Station in New York that I took earlier this year. And if we zoom in here, you can see it is quite noisy. I mean, it's not too bad, but we want to try and get rid of the noise out of this. And we also want to maybe up-res it for maybe doing a really large poster size print or something, and just to get the kind of best resolution for printing. If I go into the Enhanced tool here, like so, you can see we have, if I have Super Resolution selected, Denoise is disabled, and if I enable Denoise, Super Resolution is disabled. So you can only really do one of these at a time. So what we want to do is we want to be able to do both. So to get around this, it's actually quite simple. The first thing you have to do is do all your edits first. So this, what we're going to do, should be the last kind of steps in your editing process. So I've already made some edits to this image, and what I want to do now is denoise and upscale it. So the important thing to do is we need to run denoise first. So I'm going to pop in here and go to Enhance, and turn off Super Resolution and turn on denoise and hit Enhance. So this just takes a second. Okay, so we have done our denoise, and if I zoom in, you can see now it is nice and clean. But the next step we want to do is to up-res it using Super Resolution. So if I go into Enhance again, you can see we can't do it. So Super Resolution is grayed out. So I'm just going to hit cancel. Now the trick to get around this, it's actually really simple. All you need to do is send it to Photoshop and back. So I'm just going to go edit in Photoshop and jump over to Photoshop. Okay, and literally all we need to do is save it again and jump back to Lightroom. And now we have our edited version. You can see nor-edit.tiff. And now if we go Enhance again, we can now do Super Resolution. And it's really that simple. You don't even need to use Photoshop if you don't want to. You could just export it as a TIFF and then re-import it. But by sending it to Photoshop, the whole round trip process is automated, so you don't really have to worry about it. So here it is back now, and we have our Super Resolution version that we have also run noise reduction on. And that really is all there is to it. It's actually quite simple. Maybe in a future version of Lightroom, they will allow you to do noise reduction and Super Resolution in one go. But if you really need to do this, that's all you have to do. Okay, so I hope you have found this useful. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.